Best deals.
1. Soup pan. Enjoy nutritious meals with reduced oil use, thanks to the non-reactive stainless steel surface and even heat control. Comes with a stainless steel lid to lock in heat and a heat-resistant handle for safe and comfortable grip. Durable cooking surface resists warping and is tough enough for metal utensils, easy to clean in the dishwasher. Ideal for boiling milk, making tea, simmering sauces, preparing soups. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Apron. Effortlessly maintain the apron's pristine look by simply wiping off stains with a damp cloth, ensuring hassle-free upkeep. Boost productivity in the kitchen with integrated hand towels and a flap pocket, allowing you to stay organized and save time, making this apron perfect for men and women of all sizes. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Containers. Made of borosilicate glass which can withstand temperatures up to 350 degrees centigrade. Suitable for use in microwave, refrigerator and oven. Not applicable on lids. Non-porous glass prevents to absorb stains, it's leak-proof, scratch-resistant and transparent, ideal for baking, storing and serving. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Casserole. It is made from high-quality grade of cast iron with superior purity, increased hardness, greater corrosion resistance and reduced porosity. Pre-seasoned with vegetable oil, will not rust with regular care, it's rough and tough, can use metal ladles. Can use high heat, retains heat well. Easy to cook in, it's naturally non-stick, healthy, tasty, crispy food. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Kettle. Boil water, prepare instant meals, or use the included egg tray to boil up to 7 eggs simultaneously for quick and convenient cooking. Food grade 304 stainless steel body with matte finish, detachable glass lid, wide mouth design, and concealed heating element for easy cleaning and long-lasting use. Equipped with auto cutoff, dry boil protection, overheat safety, double protection controller, and high-quality thermostat for safe and reliable performance. Features a temperature control knob, light indicator, 360 degrees rotating detachable base, volume markings, 1.2 meters cord with cord winder, and copper wire conductor for efficient functionality. It's not just a kettle, it's a versatile kitchen companion designed to make your culinary tasks a breeze. Enjoy the convenience and safety in your kitchen. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Cooker. Uniformly heats base and sides, food and spices do not burn and stick. Made from commercially pure, virgin aluminum, mirror polished, interior and base matte finish features a goof-proof lid that seals from the inside like a jetliner door, ensuring greater safety inside. Fitting lid opens only when pressure falls. Stay cool. Handles pressure is regulated automatically to optimum levels for speed cooking. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Sprout jar. BPA-free lid has a built-in mesh and handle for smooth rinsing, effortless draining, and clean, mold-free sprouting every time. This multipurpose sprouts maker supports fast, hygienic germination and promotes longer root growth with minimal effort. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Kadai. Enhances the quality of your dishes by adding a distinct flavor. Enjoy restaurant-like yummy dishes. Versatile cookware that allows you to prepare your favorite dishes effortlessly like biryani, sabzi, fried snacks, gravies and many more. Suitable for gas and induction stoves, OTGs and campfires. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Lunch box. Easy to fit and store with a carry bag. Keep these containers all together safely in a bag. It'll ensure the longevity and portability of this product. Ideal for office executives and school kids, leak-proof steel containers keep food and beverage fresh and crisp for hours. The containers have airtight lids. This will prevent moisture from damaging your cooked food. Easy to fit and store with a carry bag. Keep these containers all together safely in a bag. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Corner shelf. Sticker series self-adhesive kitchen and bathroom organizers. Keep your kitchen or bathroom organized and clean. Compact yet have sufficient capacity for holding shampoo, conditioner, kitchen spice bottle etc. to meet your different demands. Ideal for kitchen, bathrooms, guest bathrooms and powder rooms etc. Steel body makes it rust-proof and durable. Make sure you are using the product on a clean and smooth surface. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Tawa. Made from 100% natural cast iron cookware, this cast iron tawa is a 100% healthy cookware, food safe without chemicals, coatings or toxins, adds iron content to your food that helps fight iron deficiency. Best in even heating and heat retention that gives excellent cooking results consistently. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Pressure cooker. Made from pure virgin aluminum, exterior mirror polished. Inside fitting safety lid, will not open until pressure falls. Suitable for gas, electric, ceramic and halogen cooktops. Stay cool handles. Fixed sturdy pivot does not put pressure on the plastic handles as it is a part of the metal handle itself. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Kadai. 3-ply construction refers to a method of building materials or structures using 3 layers or components arranged in a specific sequence to enhance strength, durability, or functionality. In engineering and construction, 3-ply construction might involve layering different materials or composites to create a composite material that combines the unique properties of each layer. For example, in plywood, 3-ply construction. Effortless cooking guarantees a seamless and straightforward culinary process. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Bowl. Made from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel for strength, durability, and rust resistance. The sleek and polished design adds a touch of sophistication to your dining table. Comes in a pack of 6, perfect for everyday home use, family dinners, and hosting guests. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Idli cooker. Stackable pots and nesting lids save precious kitchen space. Streamline your cooking experience, urge for high durability, easy to wash and clean, rust-proof and hygiene. Ergonomic handles stay cool, offering a secure grip. Tempered glass lid seals in flavors. No more kitchen accidents. The sleek design adds elegance to your kitchen while saving valuable counter space. A perfect balance of form and function. Premium stainless steel multi-pot with even heat distribution for perfect meals every time. Suitable for all cooking surfaces. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Jars. You will receive 2 glass jars with grommet lids, 2 airlocks, and 2 storage lids. This is the perfect fermentation starter kit or for anything you want to brew, ferment, or store. The plastic lid comes with an Epi-ring seal to make it airtight and leak-proof. It will also not corrode or rust like metal lids. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Scissors. Efficient 5-blade design. Chop herbs quickly and uniformly with 5 sharp stainless steel blades that cut your prep time in half. Premium stainless steel blades, durable, rust-resistant blades ensure long-lasting sharpness and easy, clean cuts. Protective blade cover included for safe storage in drawers and kitchen organizers. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Rack. Comes with 3 storage compartments which allow you to organize the space for toothbrush, shaving accessories, face wash, 4 hanging hooks. With small size drain holes in the bottom of each container for water flow. This storage stand is crafted of hard solid plastic and has high load bearing capacity and holds up to 5 kg with powerful adhesion system. Make sure you are using the product on a clean and smooth surface. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Kadai. Is ideal for sautéing and stir-frying foods using minimal quantities of oil. It can also be used for deep frying and for cooking gravies, curries and sauces. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Lunch box. Made from high-quality stainless steel making it exclusive and durable, retractive handles for space saving, easy to use, carry, store and stack, perfect size and shape unmatchable. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Cooker. This pressure cooker is induction compatible which makes it very versatile. The tri-ply layer is a thoughtful design. A layer of 304 grade stainless steel, thick gauge aluminum and induction compatible stainless steel ensures your food is evenly cooked. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Citrus Juicer. Made from BPA-free plastic and 304 stainless steel, this orange juice maker ensures high hygiene standards and long-lasting durability. Includes 2 pulp filters for smooth, delicious juice every time. Operating at just 73 decibels, this fruit juicer machine is as quiet as an office, allowing for peaceful juicing. The drip stop spout and 500 ml container prevent messes, making it reliable for daily use. Designed with a durable 40-watt copper motor, this juicer operates quietly, allowing you to juice without disturbing kids. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Tea infuser bottle. Add loose leaves or fruit slices to the stainless steel infuser, pour water, and enjoy wellness drinks between school runs, meetings, or your daily commute. Leak-proof design that keeps up with you, from school drop-offs to work meetings to weekend errands, the secure bamboo lid keeps every drop inside your bottle, not your handbag. BPA-free glass safe for your whole family. Durable borosilicate glass handles hot and cold drinks so every sip is safe for you and your kids. Easy to clean design, wide mouth opening lets your cleaning brush reach the bottom with ease and the stainless steel infuser pops out for quick daily washing. Complete set ready to gift, includes protective neoprene sleeve and premium gift box, designed for loose green tea, herbal blends, fruit infusion, and cold brew coffee for yourself or loved ones. Double wall glass for comfort, outer surface stays comfortable to hold with hot drinks and helps keep your tea warm while you enjoy it, crafted for fresh brewing on the go. The bottle includes a convenient fruit infuser that allows you to add fruits, herbs, or vegetables for naturally flavored water. It helps encourage healthier hydration habits throughout the day. You can easily experiment with different flavor combinations. This feature makes drinking water more refreshing and enjoyable. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Canister is the most versatile and earth-friendly sustainable storage container, designed to replace traditional plastic containers. Its airtight lid ensures freshness. No toxic chemicals are used in manufacturing. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Tea strainer. Embrace sustainability with this utility, reusable straining bag. Designed to be highly versatile, this reusable straining bag is perfect for a wide range of kitchen tasks. Featuring a zipping closure design. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Drying rack. Crafted from high-quality metal with a thickened, eco-friendly finish, ensuring long-lasting durability and resistance to wear. This rack is built to withstand regular use while remaining sturdy. Each tier includes a removable drip tray that collects excess water, keeping your countertops dry and clean. This feature simplifies maintenance and prevents water damage in your kitchen. The anti-rust coating enhances the stainless steel structure, making it strong and durable for long-term use. Anti-slip rubber feet provide stability and protect your countertops from scratches. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Cookware. Patented titanium-infused enamel coating offers superior durability, enhanced stick resistance, and a lasting finish that stands up to everyday use. Delivers consistent, perfectly cooked results with excellent heat retention, every time. All the benefits of cast iron, none of the maintenance. Compatible with gas, ceramic and induction. Lightweight, heat-resistant, and crafted for a comfortable, confident grip. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Scrub pad. Evenly distributed Alox particle in the scrub pad to effectively clean our dirt, grime and stains. Heavy-duty scrub pad for long life and best cleaning results. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Laundry basket. The foldable design of this plastic laundry basket allows you to store it easily when not in use, maximizing space in small homes, apartments, or dorm rooms. Ideal for clothes storage in tight spaces. With smooth, movable wheels, carrying heavy laundry loads becomes effortless. Whether you are taking your clothes to the washing machine or to the laundromat. Made with high-quality plastic material. Made with high-quality plastic material. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Griller. Electric sandwich griller fully opens to 180 degree, which doubles the efficiency and enables the option for full grilling. Moreover, we can close it to make contact grill. The bigger plate dimension of 230 by 145 mm makes sure that it be used as panini maker and sandwich grill press, BBQ, and chicken griller. Made with a slim design that makes it easy to set up, it also doesn't take so much space on your counter, making it perfect for grilling indoors. Cafe-style floating lid adjusts to the thickness of any food, leaving charred grill marks on anything you desire. This means you aren't limited to just paninis or grill sandwiches. You are free to grill, say, fresh steaks, fish, chicken, chops, and more. The unit will cycle on and off to maintain the desired cooking temperature and to avoid overcooking. It is fully automatic device, so no manual setting is required. Durable die-cast non-stick heating plates allow easy release of food, require minimal oil for healthier sandwiches, and make cleaning effortless after every use. Elegant black finish body made from high-quality heat-resistant Bakelite ensures safe handling even during high-temperature operation, while adding a sleek look to your kitchen. Automatically switches off when the food is cooked, preventing overheating and ensuring energy efficiency for safe, worry-free usage. Convenient indicator lights show when the device is powered on and when it's ready to cook, ensuring precise timing for perfect grilling. Cool touch ergonomic handle provides a firm grip while operating. Compact design makes it easy to store vertically or horizontally. Product link is given in the 30th link.